Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading Maze. Today is Friday, 13th of Feb. I know it's been a long time since we are back. I had some work from the office and also I was sick a few days. But anyway, we are back now. And even though I was giving you updates, it was not regular, but I did do some scalping all these days. And yeah, we did good. But shareable trades were very less. But anyway, let's get into the charts. I'm willing to do a sell here, right here at 998, with the 20-30 pips of SL. Mm, 80 pips SL is what it takes. The target. Mm, with this, it's Friday, so I can expect some moment in the night. So I think the target is that, guys. Give me a moment. I will place an order here. A limit order, of course. 999, yeah, 998. 998 you can do. And a sell at 5006. 5006. And 98 to 5006, which is 80 pips, right? So, same way. Okay. Do that. It should be fine. Let me get something. Mm, just a little bit out. So, let me tell you what is the conclusion for this trade. So, this is a higher time frame ka. So I put this trade, but it has not achieved. But the target I wanted was achieved. Anyway, so this was the trade I wanted to give you, but when it maybe come near that, probably it didn't. But what we can do is, but trend lines, what we drew, are working very good. I mean, they are fine. Almost like see see this trend line. I don't know where we've drawn it. It's very long. It's working. Having a trend lines is another kind of confirmation for us. So here, if I want to go into selling, I have a confirmation of trend line and also order block, and I can sell, right? So it's the same way here, here at 120, where there is, I think this will be some level. Yeah, this is a 120 ka level, which was a high before. I think market structure is back, guys. Market structure after a lot of days, a lot of time. I think it pa- possibly it can be back, but I've not. I've, I have a good appreciation for it, but it's not totally black back. See, I was seeing this one, this trade. This trade was purely market structure. This one. This one was market structure. And also trend line. I think this was a trade that we should have taken. So whenever you get one, two, three confirmations, right? So that is A trade you should take, at least a scalp. If you're unsure about the trade, you've never seen it, but you can see that three things, three confirmations are you're finding three confirmations at the same point. So that can definitely lead to a very good trade. Okay, and yeah, here also I'm seeing a market structure here, a bit of a market structure. So I think they should work out pretty well as well. So I'm waiting for it. Uh, this is what 1 hour candle just opened. Let's see how 1 hour candle is doing. To me, it looks like it's giving a top wick and it's gonna fall. Is the only thing that's telling us it will fall is the 50 to 60% level. Maybe it will come to here. 511 is possible if market structure is what we're thinking, but it shouldn't be the case. I think from this point, which is also a 50% level, from that, where we take a buying trades if it closes above, we will be taking a selling trade if uh, it just touches it or just retests it, because it already retested here, right? So it tested here and it went well, and it came back and it formed a very good red candle. So the main reason for the entry would be this red candle, because it should have, if it would have breaking the structure, it would have definitely went here, and it might be consolidating there, and there can be upwards movement, but it's not. See, we're getting to the trade, guys. Get ready, get ready, get ready, guys. 90, yeah, अभी आया नहीं है, but it's almost there. 98 पे we're trying to do it. 98, it's still about to reach. Order done, guys. Order done. Entry done, guys. So let's see if we can get the risk free, guys. 98 पे we have done the order. uh देखते हैं, but I am interested in the 5 minute candle. Actually 5 minute I'm seeing in if this, sorry, is there a 5 minute, sorry. This is a 5 minute candle. This is actually red in my broker, it's green here. This 5 minute candle, I want this 5 minute candle to be bearish. That's the only ask. Let's see. I should have taken some of the resistance here. Let's see. Maybe it wants to cover the fair value gap. I know that's already in our SL, but still, I would want it to give our risk free first. Our risk free would be somewhere around 98 से 90 पे होगा, of course. No brainer there. Let's see. Not a great candle in 5 minutes. If it closes above this, I don't want to be in this trade. Above this, because that negates a lot of things, because closing above just tells us a lot of things differently. So we don't want that. So it should be a very good So let's see this also. Yeah. So 5,002 pay is a 60% level. Let's see if it can do that. 2.5 minutes. We'll see if it closes above this high, which is 5,000. 5,000 over closing that, then we should not be in this trade. If it closes below, then I think we probably should be in this. Let's see what it does at this level. 40 pips down. Almost to our SL, guys. Almost to our SL. मेरा तो नहीं निकला है. Let's see if there is some more juice in this. Yeah, closing is what I'm very interested. Mm, still in, still in. I don't know how I'm still in, but the broker is still in. Let's see. 'Closing. Yeah, closing below this, or at least below this 60%, but I don't think we're going to get that. We'll probably get into this long scale. Yeah, stopped out, guys. Stopped out. Fine. We'll see another trade. I think we'll probably bullish here as well. Yes, go hata and now the trade would be same trade but towards the upside. Sorry. 60 तो लेना चाहिए 60 तो देना चाहिए. So this would be the trade. I know it's a lot of confusing lines, but let's remove all that. 98 पे एंट्री करो. 90 फिर से 98 पे एंट्री करो या 99 पे कर सकते हो. एंड SL I'll tell you how much. 50 pips का SL रखो and target towards the 250 pips. 1:5 का trade it will be. But oh, why are we having this moment? Is DXY falling there? Yeah, something always DXY does, no, to us. Anyways, let's see. Did I miss any news or something? Did I? Hmm. But it's just 7 p.m. CPI. Bad for gold. See, bad for USD. Good for gold. But that's already happened. But anyways. Hmm. See what we can do. Buying में ही जाना है, but we'll have red candle. Red candle मिलेगा इधर. We can probably take a buying trade here. 98 के पास. 98.5. You can take it at 98.5. Let me remove this trade and I'll put up. It's a very big trade. Because there's a lot of things that fall into that place. That's why, because trend line was also there. So keeping in mind all of that, that is the intuition, not anything else. So now it's negated. That's not, but there's probably a chance of double top here. So that's one thing, and another thing was the trend line. But trend line is out of the question now, because when it is here, that should be Monday 16th Feb. Oh, that's impossible. That's impossible to happen. So tomorrow 5:30 तक यहाँ पे आना है. So that's impossible. So what it'll normally do is it'll come back here, but trade would not be that big. Only it's only that big because there was a trend line, there was a double top and all that. But it could be big. It could be big because gold is into a selling mode right now. So it could be. And 1 hour, 1 hour has just. matlab, this is all the power of BDXY only. Nothing gold is doing because bottom week में नहीं है, almost bottom week नहीं है, but gold is going up. All because of this red candle in the DXY. 11 तक आ गया. Let's see 11 तक आके does it do anything? Because that's the market structure we were discussing at the start of the stream. देखते हैं. सेलिंग में फिर से नहीं जाना है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी एक बार तो हमारी कट गई है. तो लेट्स stop for a moment for selling. Buying is what I'm looking for, and this should be the trade. Set my TP. So I think when that is happening, let's discuss the trend today. Yesterday we had a fall, so big players sold. So I'm hoping if the big players sold, they know something that we don't. What usually ends up happening is it might for 1 2 days go up, but after that it will fall. See, the fall that came here yesterday was not a normal fall. It's an institutional fall. So when this kind of falls come, you have to understand that something big is happening in the market, and all this buying you can see is the retail buying. It's not institutional buying, retail buying. So what will end up happening is maybe the same point that I have marked. Where is that? Yeah, maybe here 145. This could be 145 to 150. This could be the region where it will start falling, and it will fall till 4,500 or something like that. 4,000, also 4,000 possibly, because the bigger fall needs to come into gold, and this could be the initiator of that, or maybe it could fall from 5,050 only. But there is a fall coming, and I've always said that fall in gold will be very fast, and fundamentally it's bullish. So that's the two things we should understand. Fall will be very fast, whatever fall will get. So in the same way here, but to recover it, it took a lot of time. So in the same way, if you look it at the same way, 1 day time frame पे जाते हैं, so you can see that fall It's a little messy, but understand the reason why I'm showing you this. See, fall is very fast, right? 1 2 2 दिन में fall हो गया, 2 3 दिन में fall हो गया, बहुत सारा fall हुआ है, लेकिन the rise is very slow, but fundamentally fundamentally bullish, क्या बोलता हूँ. And there's one fall here, as you can see, there's one fall here, so it could possibly mean that we can sell again over here as well, but very low probability, but very high probability that it will fall in the future somewhere around here. From that, it will fall very very fast. One day only we can cover all of this. Maybe all actually it needs to come down here. 4250 के पास आना है. It went to 4400. 4250 यहाँ पे support के पास आना है. You should take out this liquidity. This liquidity audit formed. That should happen. And that will also happen very fast. And below this also it will go. And everybody are thinking to buy gold at sorry, I moved something at 5000, but it will go down. It will what go to 4000. 4000 तो चला जाएगा. It will go to 4000. Well, the timeline is undecided, but it will go to the 4000. No problem in that. And currently we are trying to buy, but we are not getting any buying options. It's very fast because DXY is pumping it up, pumping gold up like crazy. Let me show you. एंट्री कर लेते तो हो जाता. इतना बड़ी कैंडल है. But no 50% का टेस्ट नहीं हुआ है. It didn't happen, so that's why we did not do it. Hmm. Let's see. 50% कहाँ पे आ रहा है? Hmm. What is this level? 5003. नहीं यार, ऊपर ही जाएगा. So buying देखते हैं. Let's try buying, but very difficult because it can go from anywhere. 50% से देखेंगे, but 50% I don't think it will happen. 50% no, zero. Well, then it can go from here only. 5020 से try कर सकते हैं. You think it would be risky, but it's actually not, because after that kind of the DXY is what falling crazy. Yeah, actually buying at here is not very bad thing, to be honest. But let's see, closing भी ऊपर ही हुआ है. 60% के ऊपर हुआ है. So there is that as well. 5011 will be my ideal area for me to buy, because this is not a very good high for the selling as well. So 5011 पे आ जाए तो मैं I can buy. Let me place a limit order as well. We're doing that. Still 100 pips down, guys. As I told you, we can try one from here. A scalp, perhaps. Do you want to try it? छोटी स्कैल्प करनी है बट शार्प होना चाहिए. Should be very sharp. देखते हैं. Let's see. Hmm. Not very sharp, guys. So let's ignore it. अभी यहाँ पे ही करते हैं. 11 मेरे को सही लगता है. 11 सही लग रहा है मुझे. Let's do that. Let's see DXY as well. XY is falling as XY is falling like crazy. Hmm. The thing is, it won't give us the entry. It always doesn't. 511 also very difficult. It's not trade, but it's a very intuition trade. It's risky, by the way. If I'm not made myself clear before, it is a risky trade, but high probability trade. That's the only high probability, but a risky trade. But reward is there. Good reward. You can find a good reward here. The XY is falling. Yeah. And the 30 minutes ka candle, let's see. Maybe 30 minutes can tell us something because just, yeah, it can be a bottom wick. 11 looks fine, guys. And this will become order block now. Um, yeah, 11 पे करते हैं 50 विप्स का 50-60 विप्स का देते हैं. Should be fine. And let's see, market is buying, selling. 50% नीचे आया. प्रॉब्लम इज ऑलवेज दैट कि 50% नीचे आ जाता है कभी. Hmm. Hmm. What a great. Let's go. It's coming down. It's coming down. So I observed something. I will tell you that. So whenever this kind of closing happens above and it's coming down, one thing can happen is it will the selling candle that's going to form is very big selling candle. It will engulf this. So that's probably when sorry that's probably when we have a very bearishness in the market. But when the other times, it's probably the fastest where it retraces from. So you have to see the speed also, a speed which it retraces. When you understand the speed, the faster it retraces from that low, when it comes back at least to that level, I think you should buy. So I think that's the way I'm gonna go for it. Maybe not be 11, maybe this only, maybe 13, right? So that is what I'm trying to tell you. So it could be in between and we could be missing our trade. So that becomes a very important part. So I think I'm gonna buy there. When it comes back a little bit, I think I'm gonna enter here, guys. But yeah, our trade looks very good. This is our trade. Our trade looks very good, and this trade looks even better. This 98k, two trades, but already we have done one trade, and it was our SL which got taken. We should probably look for a better placement, but I'm gonna do this anyway. 5011 is a good level. It could give us a scalp at least. Hmm. Yeah, probably it can give us scalp, guys. Hmm. Hmm. It's console. See, I just told you that. So let's see what it will do. But is there 4 hour ka opening? When is it? Why should we plan after 4 hour opening? 4 hour opening is 1.5 hour. Okay. Maybe it will consolidate till that time, because I think the 4 hour will test this, guys. 4999 test karke it could give us something. That is what my expectation is. But maybe in between we could get some scalp in the buying side. Yeah, let's enter, guys. I am okay. I will enter, but it's a risky trade, guys. But 50 pips, 60 pips is the SL that we're going to give. 511 per entry. So yeah. लिमिट ऑर्डर प्लेस कर लो if you want to do it, but ऐसा risky trade. Also, let's see DXY. XY trying to recover. That could be one reason why gold is doing that dance there. But yeah, bullish on gold, guys. Bullish on gold. 11 पे आया तो let's try. Hmm, I think my theory worked, guys. 13 के पास Australia, it came back. You can have that. Okay. I think it worked without me. Hmm. Let's see. I think it will do a little dance till that 11:30 for our candling opening. But the trade that I'm very much forwardly looking for is this one, 98 पे buying. So अगर आ गया तो कर देना. But this would be just be a scalp. As I said, this would just be a scalp. Maybe it did not even close above the 60%. Maybe I drew it wrong. It's possible. Let me recheck again. Sorry. पता नहीं क्यों लैग तो हो रहा है. ठीक है. Let me quit it. Let's get back again. Maybe because I am charging my phone. I think sorry. Let me redo it again. Hmm. Little bit better. Actually, much better. Sorry, I have to share this now. Maybe sharing is why I'm getting that thing. Yeah, now it's slow. Maybe I'm getting this, guys. So okay, let's try one thing. And it's gonna be risky. Let's try one thing. और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा फिर 14 पे आ जाएगा तो खरीद लेना फिर से. Let's do 14. But I think we are past that as well. 14 पे we can try. बस शार्प एसएल रख के करते हैं. इसके नीचे एसएल रख देना कि वी एम एक्सपेक्टिंग डबल बॉटम वाला ट्रेड. शार्प एसएल, वेरी शार्प एसएल. 10 पिप का भी नहीं, 10 पिप का. देखिए, 100 पिप का टारगेट रखो और खत्म करते हैं इसको. 14 पे एंट्री. 14 पे एंट्री एंड 13 पे निकल सकते हो. 13 पे निकल सकते हो या थोड़ा देना है तो 12 तक दे सकते हो। एंटर एंटर गाइस एंटर। 14 आ गया है। आई रीच इट। आई एम एंटर्ड। लेट्स सी। बहुत छोटा वाला रिस्क है। छोटा वाला रिस्क है। बट 100 पिप दे सकता है। 10-15 पिप रखो और 100 पिप ले जा सकते हो। लेट्स डू इट। ठीक है। आई एम एंटर्ड। अभी भी वहाँ पे चल रहा है। अब तो सब लोग एंटर होना चाहिए। बट इट शुड बी शार्प गाइस। ये वाली लो को इसे को रेस्पेक्ट करना है। एंड एक बार DXY को देख लेते हैं। DXY तो अब बढ़ रहा है। क्या बताऊँ। ठीक है शार्प होनी चाहिए। शार्प होनी चाहिए। शार्प तो नहीं दिख रहा है लेकिन अब वी आर एंटर्ड। हाँ अब हो गई है। अब हो गया राइट। सो नाउ BSL तो जाएगा इसके नीचे। थोड़ा सा ब्रीथिंग रूम देते हैं। SL जाएगा इसके नीचे। अब तो रिस्क फ्री है ट्रेड। अब तो रिस्क फ्री हो गया है। थोड़ा ऊपर चाहिए मुझे। एक 5 मिनट में देख लेते हैं। 5 मिनट में अच्छी वाली क्लोजिंग आ जाए। रिस्क फ्री कर देते हैं। उधर ही चल रहा है बिकॉज देर इज समथिंग देयर। सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग टू बाय। देर इज समथिंग देयर। कर लो गैस मतलब रिस्क फ्री मतलब ये कर लो। हो गया लेट्स गो। 20 पे ऊपर चला गया। उसके नीचे SL रख दो और देखते हैं। 100 pips इज द टारगेट। 100-120 pips। 1:10 का ट्रेड हो जाएगा अगर ये हो जाएगा तो। लेट्स सी। ऐसा ना 1 आवर का ओपनिंग पे हमारा काट ना ले। दिस विल बी लास्ट ट्रेड गाइस। सो उसके बाद 4 आवर पे ही करते हैं। इतने बार तो अब तो ले मतलब SL अब तो ब्रेक फ्री रिस्क फ्री लेके जाएगा ये। इतने बार आ रहा है कि सेलिंग प्रेशर तो दिख रही है लेकिन बाइंग प्रेशर तो भी दिखना चाहिए। तो मोस्टली इसके वजह से ही है। ये जो रेड ग्रीन कैंडल बनी है इसके लिए। मेरे को ये वाला ट्रेड इंटरेस्टेड है यार। इसमें तो कुछ जा नहीं रहा है बट दैट शुड बी डन बिकॉज क्या ऊपर चला जाएगा यहाँ से। एंड वेरी वेरी गुड पॉसिबिलिटी दैट विल हैपन a lot of times। ये इतना लिक्विडिटी देके तो आई थिंक विल टेक अस आउट। बट एनीवे लेट्स सी लेट्स वेट। जब तक नहीं जाएगा तब तक रहेंगे ऐसे। हम्म, हम्म, ब्रेक इवन कर लेना। ब्रेक इवन भी करना। अभी तो कुछ मूवमेंट नहीं दे रहा है बाइंग देयर बट मार्केट तो ऐसे लेगा। जो भी क्या बोलते हैं अगर ज़्यादा बाइंग कर रहा है तो उसका तो ऐसे लेके ही भागेगा ना। तो बेसिक सेंस है बट देखते हैं। लेट्स सी हाउ व्हाट इट कैन डू और इट कुड गिव अस अ एंगल्फिंग कैंडल। और वो दे दिया तो बढ़िया। This 5 minute candle, if because not a single green candle is very good effective here. एक engulfing candle मिल जाए तो मजा आ जाएगा. और नहीं है तो we'll end this stream, guys. It was not a very great productive stream, I would say, but yeah, a lot of things to we have learned, we have experienced in the market. But it could be a very good stream if this hits. I mean, there is a lot of trades still, so this trade is still left, and I'm very interested in this trade. देखते हैं वही पे एक दो पिप पे बचा रहे हैं. नहीं DXY क्या कर रहा है, DXY तो नीचे जा रहा है. I mean, gold wants to come down a little bit at least. So at least हमारा scalp तो दे जाता. What is it doing? Anyway, देखते हैं, वेट करते हैं. Still at that level. इतना क्यों? Yeah, 15 minutes. Let's see 15 minutes. It is, they want to show us something. Okay. Okay. 15 pe, it seems like it wants to take that low as a base. And that's what we were thinking as well. So that's why it's 5 minute पे ऐसा दिख रहा है. He's trying to take he's trying to take that low as a support. But maybe DXY is letting it, but I don't know why it's trying to fall again. एक किधर तो चले जाता, बीच में क्यों रहा है? See now I think you should take it out, guys. कैंडल हो गया है और 1 आवर का ओपनिंग आ रहा है. 1 आवर का ओपनिंग तक आई थिंक ऐसे ही करेगा. ठीक हमारे पास क्यों करता है ऐसे? हम्म, हम्म. ऊपर जा रहा है अब तो. लेट्स सी, एंगल्फिंग चाहिए. वी नीड एंगल्फिंग गैस. एंगल्फिंग होता तो सही लगता. लेट्स गो. जा रहा है ऊपर. आई थिंक DXY ब्रेकआउट किया है. हाँ, लेट्स गो. 100 पिप्स तो दे जा. एंगल्फिंग चाहिए गैस. 3 मिनट में एंगल्फिंग चाहिए. अच्छी वाली एंगल्फिंग दे दे बस. Up what? 20-30 pips? Not at all interesting. Come on, come on. Hmm. engulfing needed. अगर इसके ऊपर क्लोजिंग दे देता तो मजा आ जाता भाई. 5020 के ऊपर सब ऊपर आ जाएगा. वेरी difficult thing. That's a very difficult thing. I'm just hoping, guys. Hmm. Hmm. थोड़ा तो ऊपर चले जाता भाई. What is it doing? Maybe it's waiting for that 1 hour, guys. Let's see 1 hour पे what it wants to show us. So to me, it looks like even a little smaller bottom will take us out. So that's how, because it's in 1 minute only. Let's see how this closing happens. Uh, I think we will be taken out in the next hour. Let's see. So no hopes for this trade, but this trade, so the other one, which is 97 ka. This trade I'm having some hopes, better than most. Okay, so that I want to do. 15 minute will still 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds में पता चल जाएगा. We're gonna do it or not. 30 seconds to go. Mhm. Hmm. 30 seconds होने के पहले ही निकल गया. सही है. Anyways, that's why we need a strong मतलब sorry, sharp SL. Something like this could happen. So that is the SL that I was talking about, and this is the trade that I was talking about as well. DXY तो गिर रहा है. एक bump दिया है और गिर. Is there something happening that I don't know? चल रहा है क्या? What is happening? Nothing is happening. So opening of yeah, open हुआ है, लेकिन मुझे तो सेलिंग करने की इच्छा हो रही है अगर. फिर वो लगाते हैं एक बार. हम्म. 60% इधर है, 50% इधर है. 50 तो नहीं, 60 to 50 to 60%. 5,000. बट सेलिंग करनी है गाइस, सेलिंग करनी है. यू वांट टू सेल गाइस? कर सकते हो सेलिंग. यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. ये वाली चीज जो 713 पे हमने बाई की थी, सेल कर सकते हो और स्कैल्प ले सकते हो गाइस. बस बॉटम विक नहीं है. 1 आवर कैंडल बनी है, बॉटम विक नहीं है. DXY जहाँ तक लग रहा है मुझे. सॉरी, DXY को हटा दिया मैंने. क्या बात है. हट गया DXY. गो सेल कर लो गैस. सेल गोल्ड. सेल गोल्ड, सेल गोल्ड. मैं तो सेल कर रहा हूँ. 14.5 पे किया है. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. आई एम ओके विद इट unless it forms a very big engulfing. Selling is fine because 50% तक तो नहीं आया अभी तक. मैं सोचा कि this top was not very good top, but it turned out to be a very good top. Let's go. लेट्स सी दिस वन। रिस्क बहुत छोटा रखते हैं, रिस्क फ्री हो जाते हैं। 30 उसका रिस्क है, रिस्क फ्री हो जाना जस्ट इन अ बिट ऑफ टाइम। शार्प रखते हैं गैस, शार्प शार्प रखते हैं। इतना एसएल भी देना चाहिए गैस को कि ऑलरेडी गोल्ड इज on a, what do you call it? I know it's a top wick or the bottom wick तो नहीं हुआ है अभी तक, and there is a possibility of bottom wick. But let's just see this one. Fibonacci at here. फिर से हाँ, तो मेरे को लग रहा है this will go down or go up guys. 50% तक तो नहीं जाएगा, ये 50% is already satisfied. See, 50% perfectly, it took the support here. So one thing is clear, it will go either up or either down. फिर 50% आगे कुछ नहीं करेगा ये। तो अगर यहाँ तक आ गया तो इट्स बाई गैस, लेकिन इतना छोटा बाई नहीं करूँगा मैं। सेलिंग आई वांट एक्सपेक्ट मोर सेलिंग। अच्छा टीवी होगा मेरा सेलिंग करूँगा तो, दैट इज द रीज़न। 5 मिनट में बन गया है ग्रीन कैंडल जो चाहिए था। मे बी इसके बाद वी कैन सी सम पुश टुवर्ड्स द डाउन साइड एंड सेलिंग आई एम सीइंग वेरी फास्ट कंपेयर टू DXY को एक बार ऐड कर लेते हैं। Miss DXY for some minutes though. ओ, ऐसी करेगा तो कैसा, ऐसा करेगा तो कैसा? एटलीस्ट रिस्क फ्री दे चले गए, राइट? रिस्क फ्री हो चाहिए। हम्म, चलो गैस, लेट्स गो टू होम। ठीक है, सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, जाएगा तो ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा, बीच में तो नहीं। DXY ने हमारी ऐसी की तैसी कर दिया, एक्सपेक्टेड है। एनीवे, ठीक है गैस, priority stream because but we didn't get the lows that we wanted, जैसे एक्सपेक्ट किया था, बट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेड थिंग ओनली। बट या, देखो बोला था ना 50% का तो कुछ नहीं रहेगा, तो ऊपर चला जाएगा। इट या, इट्स shame that it happened to the other side, but yeah, it's a very good trade guys, very good trade. Anyways, take care, bye bye. Let's see, I'm more interested in this trade, देखते हैं अगर हो पाता है तो। इट शुड हैपन, डबल बॉटम यहाँ पे अभी, यहाँ से 26 से एक ये लेके रेजिस्टेंस लेके इट कैन कम बैक डाउन। व्हेन इट डज दैट वी कैन probably can buy in next 4 hour candle only। 1 घंटे में आया तो I'll keep you updated on that। That's all, take care। Please do subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe to our Telegram channel and also YouTube channel। where we post daily trading activity, good buying trades, selling trades, not binary trading, but everything else than that. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Trade with Mazay, and see you next week, guys. Bye bye.